Hello, welcome to Market Strategy Hub. In this episode, I'm going to explain how I made 180% return in 5 days from long tail strategy. This is a Nifty 1-day time frame chart. See, market is right now at 22,440. Time is now 12:48 p.m. That is Monday, day 23. And as you can see after this 27 February, after breaking this level, 25,300 level, Nifty has been falling since then. So what I see was, it came down to this level. First it came down to this level, 24,000, and broke this level, came down towards 24,300 level. 4 days it spent in this zone, and the next day it opened gap down and spent 4 days resisted at this zone, that is 24,291, 290 level, resisted twice here, and on March 13 it came down to this 23,100 level, and from there it took support and moved toward this 23,800, and it resisted here again, like at this 12 March it resisted at this level on 12 March, and on 18 March it did the same thing, resisted from the same level. So I was expecting market to make a very big move. I don't know whether upside or downside, but my conviction is, since it is in downward trend, I was expecting market to make a very big move that is downside. So I built a strategy on March 18, that is when market is trading at this zone, that is March 18, around, yes, I built my strategy at this level. It resisted at this zone, did rejection here. So I built a strategy, and my strategy was simple. See, market should not close below this level, that is 24,250 on expiry, that is 24 March expiry. It should not close below this level, and on the lower side it should not close below, should not close above this level, that is 23,350. So based on this I built a strategy, and on Thursday it opened gap down, moved towards this 23,000 and took rejection from this level and came down towards this 20,900. So I was in huge profit, and I didn't exit my position, I carry out my position. And on next day, Friday, it opened at this 23,100 level and moved toward this 23,350 level, but it did the same thing, it rejected from this level again. So I didn't close my position, exit my position. So I carry out my position, and today it opened 300 points gap down. So I had some profit. I already exit my position, and let's see how I made and how I build my strategy in Opstra. This is my strategy builder in Opstra. See, I built this strategy on 18 March, that is around 12:51 p.m. Right now it shows 56,839.25 rupees profit, but I already exited this position. One thing is, I always build my strategy first in Opstra and do analysis, and then I build my strategy later on in my real trading account. So let me expand this one and analyze my strategy. See, this is my overall position, strategy position. What I did was I bought 23,800 gold at a premium of 213.15 rupees. That is ATM at the money, 24 March expiry, 1 lots, and bought 23,800 PE. That do also ATM, 233.1 rupees, same expiry, same lot size. So probability of profit right now is shows 91.33%. Here max profit is undefined. What it means is make profit is unlimited. It can be 100%, it can be 200%, it can be 300%. So make loss is 29,006, that is 100%. See, make loss is the premium I pay. I paid premium of 29,000, so this is my make loss. I will not lose beyond this point. And break even comes to 23,354 on the lower side, and on the upper side is 24,246. This is my break even. Total profit and loss is 56,410.25, that is 194.848%, and estimated margin is 29,006. See, I always build my strategies first like this and do analysis, my break even, my max profit, my make loss, my payoff chart I check, and then I build my strategy later on in my trading account. So this is my payoff chart. See, my break even is on the lower side is 23,354. So what it means is market should not close above this level on expiry, and 24,246 market should not close below this level at expiry. So this red shaded zone is my loss area. I will be in loss if market close at this red shaded area at expiry, and during trading days before expiry, if market trade within this zone, I will be in loss. This is the logic behind this one payoff chart. And this is my profit side. If market close below this level, that is 23,354, I will be in profit. And if market close above this 24,246, I'll be in profit. So market is now at 22,500, so it closed below this 23,254, so I am in huge profit. I made huge profit. So this payoff chart is what it means is the more market close below, the more profit I will get on the lower side, and if market close the more higher, the more profit I will get. This is the logic behind. Expiry is tomorrow, that is 24 March, but I already exited my position. And let me show you this positional delta is negative 93. See, what it means is the more it goes below, the more profit I will get. So theta is 4,830.49, and gamma is 0.02, vega is 187.05. This is the logic behind my trade. And let me show you once more. Let me go to profit and loss. See, this is my 20-tone error call. I entered at my entry price is 213.15, but right now is current price is 5.7, so I lost around 13,484.25. This 23-tone error rate call, I'm in loss of 13,484, and 23,800 PE. I enter price was 233.1. Right now it is 1,308.4. That is more than 1,000 rupees. I am in profit, and the total profit I made from this 23,800 PE is 69,894.5. So overall profit is 56,410.25. So this is the loss behind my trade. So I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you for watching.